we got the Lego promo. That is the train. But what did I buy for it? Watch the video to find out. I got the train. I don't know what I got to get it, so that's what I'm going to show you right now. Right here, right now. Close the around. Let's just flip it. Okay. That's open. That's open. Just take this out. You don't need to see those. Okay, I'm gonna continue building the hype up. We got all these little air pockets. I'm gonna save those for my next package to Greg and Clark. Here's this. Yes, there's no damage to the box. I would have been really upset if there was damage to this. This I'm going to build first. Let me just see. You guys can't see it. Dude, this is so beautiful. I love this. I'm probably going to build this up tonight. Wait till tomorrow to build the set I have in here. But let me tell you, it is beautiful. Very beautiful. So I'll put the train over here. Which I love that. I'm gonna make a fool on that. Darn it. I barely have enough room to get this. Oh god. The name is on the front. But yeah, now you guys know what it is. And in case if you don't already, because you haven't heard about this set, though it's been out for a while, it is. God, there's a little crease right there. A little upset about that, but nothing too big. And then on the back here, there's a little crease. So there's a crease on every side of the box, other than this side. But this is Lego set number 71040, the Disney Castle, which is awesome. Containing 4,080 pieces. No, yeah. 4,080 pieces of pure magic. Now, as all of you know, Disney is the most magical place on earth. But I mean, you can't not love this set. Look at it. I'm excited to build it. It looks a little repetitive with all these towers. I don't care. This is going to be a beautiful model at the end. It's going to go... Oh, you guys can't even see. But yeah, it's going to go somewhere. It's going to be hard to display. But man, I'm not going to start this set yet. I'm going to build this. Then I'll probably work on this. If my friend doesn't sleep over tonight, I'll work on this. Because this will take me about like 188 pieces. Not even an hour. So yeah, I'll build that up tonight. This I may start on tonight. Not too sure. But man, am I excited for this build. Let me get a cool shot right here. This is the haul. And I mean, this video really hasn't been going on for too long. So, I guess I'll open up this. Just gonna cut. Okay, here we go. Let's get a dump. This is just so holy. I mean, so all there is in that box. We'll close it back up. Boom. Pretty good cut. Look at this. Okay, I do see some stickers, which pretty nice. I like those. 3 bags of pieces, and then just some extra pieces right here. Oh my god, they put it in illegally. And then the instruction book has the cover like that. And then it goes like this. Wicked excited to build this. Oh. Now I'm confused. Okay, so that's all for that clip. Now it's back to Mimi from today's video. That was me from, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about that, and I'm just gonna say what comes from my heart. This one. I am just wicked excited to build this up, which I'll be doing in tomorrow's video. It'll be a lot of fun. I'm excited for this set. I'm excited for this set. For now, I don't know where I'm going to put my backlog. I mean, I'm going to start this today or tomorrow, so I'm probably just going to put it over here. But just look at all this. I'm going to keep this in a safe place so I can send it over because I don't think Greg's watching this right now. But he guys watched one of my videos before. So I don't really want to say what I'm going to do when I send it to him. Okay. If you are watching this in April, prepare to be trolled. So yeah, definitely going to be building this up today. Today. May do it upstairs, may do it down here. Probably gonna do it down here because, I mean, that's why I have it. But still, Disney Castle, really excited for. Gonna build that up soon. And yeah, I mean, I'll do my video on this. I'm excited for this one. So I guess for now, that's all for now, guys. Pieces out. What should I do to end this? That was so